There's only 6 universities in the United States with this degree. And because of that, students don't know that this is a potential career that they could go into. So we're holding a summer camp to bring awareness about this, and then by extension, they may discover that we have a bachelor's program in photonic science and engineering.
Get the badges done, ask us if you need any help with any of the ICs and soldering those.
I am in 11th grade. I plan to study physics, and this program here has definitely opened eyes to opportunities in here.
I have the chance to learn new things, to know more about optics and lenses, also like laser and many more.
It's an opportunity for high school students to learn about the many important things that you can do with the science of light, whether it's applications in imaging or in measuring distances, such as LiDAR in cars and so on, fiber optic communication.
There's very few programs that teach photonics, and there's basically no exposure on a college level. And they're learning that this exists and what opportunities are available.
There is huge demand for photonic engineers in industry. They're high-paying jobs. And some of them are, we've got companies in the Central Florida area, they need people, and they're gonna be able to get homegrown people versus going outside the state and bringing them in. We're gonna enable some of these companies to continue to grow and advance in photonics locally.
I'm definitely considering photonics as a career. Just how big the field is and how it relates to almost everything. I mean, internet, fiber optics, it basically keeps our world running.
This was a great and informational summer camp. It was one of the most dynamic ones that I think my son's been to. Being a UCF alum, not even realize what was here in the backyard of our school. So it was really innovative. I think it was one of the most creative camps, and would love to see him come back again.
We have a very strong undergraduate program in optics and photonics at UCF, and not many people know about it. This is a chance for people to get familiar, but also just important for them to get a broader view of science than they might get in high school.